car accessories can significantly enhance your driving experience and make your time on the road more enjoyable. Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the top 8 best car accessories you can buy. From safety features to convenience gadgets, there's a wide range of accessories available to suit your needs. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, these top 8 car accessories are sure to improve your driving experience. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. At number 8 is Astro AI Tire Inflator. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a reliable and efficient tool for keeping your tires properly inflated. Its high-quality cylinder delivers impressive inflation speed, filling a tire from 29 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. This rapid inflation capability saves you time and effort, ensuring you are always ready to hit the road. For added convenience, the Astro AI Tire Inflator features an automatic shut-off function. Once the preset pressure is reached, the compressor will automatically turn off, preventing overinflation. The integrated storage compartment at the back allows you to store accessories conveniently, making the device more portable and easy to use. The 11.1 feet long power and inflation cord provides ample reach, allowing you to easily inflate both front and rear tires without straining. Despite its compact size, the compressor delivers powerful performance, ensuring quick and efficient inflation. On number 7 is Spigen Center Console Organizer Tray. The Spigen Center Console Organizer Tray is a practical accessory designed to enhance the functionality and organization of your Tesla Model 3 or Y. Crafted from durable PC material, this tray features a subtle logo and a sleek design that complements your car's interior. One of the standout features of this organizer tray is its sliding mechanism. It allows you to easily hide the tray when not in use, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. When you need to access the lower console area, simply slide the tray out to reveal additional storage space. The Spigen tray is specifically designed to fit the center console of the Tesla Model 3 and Y, ensuring a precise and secure installation. This quick and easy installation process allows you to start organizing your belongings immediately. The built-in organization compartments provide ample space for storing small items like coins, keys, phones, and other essentials. This helps to keep your center console tidy and prevent clutter. At number 6 is Tavla-Fi Steering Wheel Lock. The Tavla-Fi Steering Wheel Lock offers a unique combination of visual deterrence, user-friendliness, and enhanced security features. This lock aims to discourage potential car thieves and provide added peace of mind for vehicle owners. The humanized design of the Tavla-Fi lock utilizes 4 locking hooks and twin bars for a secure and firm grip on the steering wheel. Its installation and removal process is quick and simple, allowing you to lock and unlock your vehicle within seconds. The bright color of the Tavla-Fi lock serves as a strong visual deterrent. This vibrant color scheme draws attention to your car and discourages potential thieves from targeting it. The lock features a high-quality build with a combination of wool and a yard-wide alloy steel bar for superior strength. Additionally, the precise double-spring crescent lock and sub-type encoding key are designed to prevent tampering by professional thieves and significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized unlocking. On number 5 is Acme Car Trash Can. The Acme Mini Trash Can for Car is a practical and durable accessory designed to keep your vehicle clean and organized. Crafted from waterproof plastic, this trash can offers maximum strength, durability, and longevity, ensuring it will withstand the demands of daily use. One of the standout features of the Acme Trash Can is its handy bounce cover design. This feature makes it effortless to dispose of waste, while also ensuring the can is securely sealed to prevent unpleasant odors from spreading throughout your car. The trash can is equipped with a high-strength hook, making it easy to install in various locations within your vehicle. You can hang it on the edge of the door, the back seat, or place it in the center console, providing flexibility in finding the most convenient spot. At number 4 is Motor Trend Flex Tough. The Motor Trend Flex Tough car floor mats are a reliable and practical solution for protecting your car's interior from the elements. These durable mats offer maximum all-weather protection against snow, rain, and mud, keeping your vehicle clean and tidy. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, the Flex Tough mats feature a flexible rubber construction that molds to the shape of your car's interior. The front mats measure 27 x 20 w, while the rear mats are 51 x 14 w. This versatility ensures a snug fit and optimal coverage for most vehicles. Constructed from a proprietary rubber blend, the Flex Tough floor mats are built to last. They are resistant to deformation and cracking, providing long-lasting protection for your car's interior. The trimmable design allows you to further customize the mats to fit your specific vehicle requirements, ensuring a perfect fit. On number 3 is MirrorCase Cell Phone Holders. The MirrorCase multifunctional car phone holder offers a compelling combination of versatility, stability, and broad device compatibility. This phone holder seamlessly adapts to various mounting locations and phone sizes, making it a practical choice for many drivers. Mirror case employs a two-pronged approach to keep your phone secure. The upgraded suction cup and super sticky gel pad provide a firm grip on your dashboard, windshield, or other flat surfaces. Additionally, the stable support shelf and the anti-slip sponge and rubber pads on the second-generation vent clip ensure a secure hold on your car's air vent. This multi-layered securement system gives you peace of mind while driving, even on bumpy roads. The mirror case holder boasts exceptional device compatibility. With its super-wide adjustable arms, it can accommodate a wide range of phone sizes, from compact devices with a width of 2.1 inches to larger phones with a width of 4.0 inches. This flexibility enables you to use the holder with most smartphones, including those with thick phone cases like OtterBoxes. The mirror case holder's versatility extends beyond device compatibility. It offers 3 different mounting locations, providing you with the flexibility to choose the most convenient option for your car and driving style. You can mount it securely on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle for you. At number 2 is Govee Car LED Lights. The Govee Car LED lights offer a dynamic and personalized way to enhance your driving experience. With a vast palette of 16 million colors to choose from, you can customize your car's interior lighting to match your unique style and preferences. The DIY mode in the Govee Home app allows you to create custom light effects, further unleashing your creativity. One of the standout features of these LED lights is their ability to sync with music. The built-in microphone captures the rhythm and tempo of your music, allowing the lights to dance and pulse in time with your favorite tunes. This immersive experience adds a new level of excitement to your road trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes. Managing the lights is effortless thanks to the Govee Home app. With a simple tap, you can adjust the colors, brightness, and even activate the music mode. This convenient control puts the power to customize your driving experience. Now moving to the last one is Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. The Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder is a practical and convenient accessory designed to enhance your in-car entertainment experience. Its articulating arm and 360-degree rotating ball allow for easy adjustment and optimal viewing angles, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience for passengers of all ages. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking only a few seconds to complete. The hook's deep design and high-quality metal headrest rod provide exceptional stability, even during bumpy rides. The anti-slip rubber pads further protect your tablet from scratches and slipping, ensuring its safety throughout your journey. This versatile holder is compatible with a wide range of devices, including tablets from 4.7 to 11 inches. It can accommodate popular models like the 2024 iPad Pro 11, iPad Air 6.5, iPad 10.9, iPad Mini 6.5, Galaxy Tab, Kindle, Fire HD, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The maximum thickness it can fit is 0.67 inches, 17 mm, and the suitable screen width is 5.5 to 8.6 inches. The Lamicall holder's adaptability extends to various headrest rod distances. The new version can fit headrests with narrower rods, ranging from 2.8 inches, 72 mm, to 5.9 inches, 150 mm. This makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, pickup trucks, and sedans. However, it's important to note that it may not be compatible with back seats that lack headrest rods, such as some Volvo models. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best car accessories. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.